My friends, it's Coach Vigue, the founder of Sean Vigue Fitness and the Sean Vigue Fitness app, which contains many of my exclusive workouts and programs. You can try it free for 7 days, cancel anytime. The link is down below. All right, and one more thing. Would you please subscribe to this channel? I really appreciate that, my friends. All right, now it's time to go. All right, let's dive right into it. Modify as needed and always use control, balancing out with a healthy dose of core work. Downward facing dog. Start with some slow vinyasas. Strength and energy, flexibility, mobility. It's all right here. Inhale forward. Rock that weight forward into plank position. Hands are on the shoulders, elbows in, press the heels back. Keep traveling forward and then lower down. Chaturanga, drop your knees to modify. Elbows squeezing those ribs. Stretch the legs back behind you. Hands are on the shoulders. Inhale, lift, cobra or upward facing dog. Knees down or knees off the mat. Stretch out the back. Take an extra breath right here. Lots of breath pouring into your poses. Exhale, lower down. Feel that stretch. Take the arms out to the sides. Bend the elbows 90 degrees. Inhale, lift. Bring the feet off the mat too if you like. Exhale, lower. 3 more times. Strengthen and warm up the back. Shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, lift. Oh yeah. Exhale, stretch it out as you lower. Once more. Hold it right here. Oh, electrify that center, that core. It's where all your movement comes from, your athleticism. Hands down, press back, downward facing dog. Vinyasa flow. Inhale forward. Lower down. Right into the anthill. Cobra or up dog. Strong, strong, strong. Shoulders back and down, elbows in. Squeeze the glutes. Lower it down. Take the arms up again, 90 degrees. This time, inhale, reach forward, open the legs. Exhale, pull back, close the legs. 3 more times. Stretch and pull. Does wonders for the energy flowing from the center and getting that nice lengthen, that length in the body before we go any further. Now take it back to down dog. 2 more vinyasas. Slow it down. A little power yoga in the morning. Down. Cobra or up dog. Relax the jaw. Anyone else around here? Okay. Lower. Down dog. Stretch it back. Stretch it back. What is this on the mat? Let's get that off of there. Stretch it out. Big hands. Once again, forward. Feel the shoulders moving. Going along. Lower down. Slowly down and lift. Extra breath. All right, forearm plank. Let the forearms come down. Lace the fingers or palms out here. I'm going to take the fingers together. Going to do a little pulse, forward and back. 10 breaths. Here's 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's nice. 4. A furnace in the core. 5, 6, 7. Inhale forward, exhale back. I put bug spray on, we'll see. There are nasty horse flies in Wisconsin. And 1 more time, and they love Coach Vigue. Just take a big bite. All right, onto your side. Side plank, elbow under the shoulder, lift it up. This arm comes up, or bend it, or point over there. No, just like this. 5 breaths. Woo. That's the stuff. Pull this side up. Stretch a long line here, stacking the legs. Would you get off the mat? Thanks. Thanks so much. Oh, wait, we're up here. All right, side plank. Other side, switch it. Smooth and lift. 5 big breaths. Inhale and exhale. What did I just say? Breaths. 5 big breaths. All right. We got 2 right here. All right. Whatever. Was auch immer here. Pull that side in. Extend tall. Press the right arm away from the mat. Activate that plank. All right, more fun. Reverse plank. These pants are interesting, aren't they? Hands are on the shoulders. Pick your position with the hands. Okay, any ants? Then we lift up. This is the reverse plank. 5 breaths. Shoulders back and down. We're lifting. Point the feet. Pooch out the belly as you breathe in. Oh my goodness. And then flatten it up. Horsefly. One more breath. It's morning yoga and a bug show, evidently. See how that off works. All right, come on down. Flip it over. Downward facing dog. Walk out the legs. Stretch it out. Get those muscles, tendons, ligaments, everything moving. Blood flow coursing through the body. All right, right leg lifts. Bend the knee. Open. Scorpion. Bring the right foot forward. Lunge. Crescent lunge. Stagger the feet. Inhale, we're going to lift the arms up. Up, 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 up. And then cactus arms. So pull them down. Elbows back. Stretch that back heel. You want to add a little movement, you inhale up. And then exhale, stretch it down. So we pulse a little bit. Opening the posture, the breath. Enjoying the boating on the lake. And getting those hip flexors and quads firing. One more time. Pull those arms down and then hand down, twist, inhale up. Bend the elbow, pull back further. One of my favorites, cutting through the air right here. Now extend forward, hands down, step back. Left leg lifts, open. Scorpion. Releasing the back, left foot forward, lunge. All right, let's do a tuck here. Woo, shoulders back, arms up. Mudra. I'm sorry, not mudra, cactus arms. They're of the same postural family. Stretch. We want the posture, we want that breath. Presence in the poses. One more time. Pull. Back, back, back. And now twist. Hand down, left arm up. If you like, pull back. Getting a rotation in the sides, in the core. Okay. Vinyasa flow. Step back to plank. Get the bug out of my ear. Forward, down. Cobra or up dog. Hold 2 breaths. Strong. Press into the palms. Arms are getting a great workout. Tuck the toes. Back to down dog. Shake out the legs. Now take this left foot forward for sumo squat. We're down. Feet on a diagonal. Let's switch the cap here. Howdy. Hands on the thighs. We're going to twist. Drop the shoulder down. Back and forth. You can go lower if you like. Yes, my shirt is correct. It's the summer of 50. I turned 50 on July 28th. I've already gotten a lot of birthday wishes. I appreciate that. A little early. July 28th. I turned 50. So keep training with me all summer long and beyond. We'll do all sorts of stuff. Get us as fit and healthy as possible through movement. All right, stay here or bring it down into a garland squat. Elbows into the legs. Inhale, open. Exhale, release slightly. So we're opening up those hips. You can add some movement. We lower down and then we lift. And lift. Get off there. Okay, now hands together. Let's do those knees. Stay here or drop the knees down. Boom. Avoiding the ants. And see the upper body. The knee comes down, upper body twists away. Always rotation, loosening up the back. Rotational integrity. Love that. How many more? Okay, 2 more each side, or hold. There we are. And twist. And twist. Okay, excellent job. Back to down dog. Shake out the legs, walk them out. We're gonna do that scorpion down dog again. Right leg comes up, open, stretch, into pigeon. Take the right leg forward, slide the left leg back, lift it up into a proud pigeon. And then something I call the leg under lift. This right leg is gonna extend all the way under, and we press up right here. Reach this left arm back. You like that? Well, good. We'll do it on the other side too. Step back, left leg up, scorpion. Oh, never take away from these. Oh, just opens up the shoulders and the back, the hips, and leg forward, proud pigeon. Slide the right leg back. And this left leg goes right across. Look at this. Look out for the anthill and lift. Well, that's something. Whew. Work this arm. Bring it back. I'm just trying to avoid the wildlife out here. Sure beats filming in a studio though, doesn't it? Love it out here. Back to the pigeon. Back to your pigeons, everybody. Now step back to plank. Bend the knees. We got a chair plank here. We're gonna take it back and forth. Forward, plank, bend the knees. Activating the glutes, the quads, stretching, and the shoulders moving. Inhale, exhale, 5 more. Always moving. Maybe this is your workout, maybe this is your warm-up. Great warm-up for whatever else you're gonna do. Getting the mind, body firing together. All right, forward, and then hover. All the way down. Take the arms forward. We still, okay. I always like to look around. You never know who's gonna come traipsing through here. We have Superman. 5 breaths. Inhale, lift. Exhale, stretch. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. Press it back. Down dog into down dog. Squat, press. Now walk or hop forward. Would you go off the mat, please? We come down into half boat pose, half boat. Shoulders back and down, feet flat, or bring the feet off the mat. Hands here, arms forward. Emphasis on the abdominals. Every exhale, you can also place the hands back here too. Wherever you like, but the form comes first. These feet are gonna dip down. They get very heavy. I used to always film wearing shoes, which was, I look back now, that was a 2010 kind of thing for me. But this is 2024. Bare feet, shoulders back. Oh, sweat. 2 more breaths. All this work right here, powering the core, focus. Now cross the right ankle over the left, hinge forward. Press the back of that left knee down. 2 more breaths. It's active, so you inhale, lift, exhale, hinge, flush out the breath. Oh, yes, back to our boat. 5 breaths if you want more. Oh, I'm in a hole. You can do full boat. What have I done? Right here. Right here, my friends. Yes, yes. The lake gives me power. Shaking. That's good. Threshold work. Getting there, getting there. All right, left ankle over the right. That might have been the longest 5 breaths of your life. Until next time. Let's do 4 more breaths here. Sorry, I get excited. These movements never fail to impress me, to inspire me, to take my breath away, literally. Oh, that's good. All right. Half boat or full boat, or if you want to go further, I call it extended boat. You're going to grab the outsides of the feet. Think of it as flipping your down dog over. And here we are, except you're not grabbing your feet in down dog. That would be silly, wouldn't it? Here we are, shoulders down, elbows in, and your body will know what to do. It's always adapting. We do the flows to force our bodies to adapt, to flow with integrity and good form and breath. So every time they become more and more bulletproof, stronger, more resourceful. 3 more breaths. That is good stuff. Now plant the feet down, come on up, chair position, feet about hip width. Okay. Get out. Okay. Hands together, press back. There's no one there. Or is there? Here's our chair right here. Now we can hold it, we can take the arms up, or we can have it fly. We pull the arms back, we come up to tippy toes, keeping the glutes down, and then inhale, back. Working the legs, the calves, the ankles, the core. Let's do 5 more. Come fly with me, fly around the mat. All right, my friends, 3 more, we have it. We have it. Get all that glute flexibility. The squat goes lower, the weight is out of the knees and the toes. I'm gonna do 1 more for good measure. Fly. All right, heels down, lace the fingers, soften the knees. Mudra, forward fold. 5 breaths. Draw the arms back, stretch the shoulders. If you feel lightheaded, come out of it, come out of it. It's an inversion. But we got blood, oxygen-rich blood heading into the brain. Opening up the shoulders and chest. Arms coming down. Shake out the arms, shake out the legs. Kick it out. All right, my friends, how was that? Welcome to perhaps one of the best days of your life. It's me, Coach Vigue, otherwise known as Sean Vigue, with Sean Vigue Fitness and the Sean Vigue Fitness app. It's a pleasure to train with you anywhere, anytime. It's the summer of 50, so follow me on my social media. I'll put those up there. I post so many different short workouts, eating tips, day-to-day things, whole bunch of stuff just to keep me and you going, training 24/7. All right, my friends, I'll see you next time. Make sure you share this video on, click that like button, and as always, subscribe and click the notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. Did I get it all in? That's what she said? My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below, try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.